Hello?
Are you okay?
So there's such a property.
The house right now?
Yeah. Yeah. So Mark means we'll be talking to you.
Okay. What, are they in the house?
No, they're out in the property.
Are they seizing stuff again?
They're searching. There's a search warrant, and so just get in with the kids.
Okay.
Yeah. So you tried to set up a call, logical.
Yeah.
So we'll see what transpires.
Okay.
Yeah, no.
What do you want me to do? Pray.
What?
What do you want me
Yeah,
to do?
right. Well, yeah.
Doomsday Prophet seemed a little down in that call. Right? He had a day like a shot of the Monday blues or something. That's because they were digging up his yard and they found the bodies that were there. That's June of 2020. That's when he was locked up. He's been locked up since June of 2020. He's got a trial date coming up, and all of a sudden now waiving his right to a speedy trial. Why would he do that? Why would he do that? Why would the Doomsday Prophet do that? Posted it on social media today. We begin with our 13th juror comment of the day coming from Laura, who says, now that the kids have been found and the case is out of the headlines, I guess he thinks the longer it takes to go to trial, the less emotional impact it will have on the jury when chosen. They are both so disgusting. Renee Hill, does that happen over the course of time? You wait a longer time for the trial, and then maybe there's less of the immediate emotional impact. Could that be part of the game here?
No, that's not part of the game. Normally, when the defense counsel waives speedy trial, it's because they are making a request for additional time. It's not going to be charged against the prosecution because it's a defense request. So they're waiving that speedy trial time. And usually it's one of two reasons. One, because they're trying to work out a disposition. And so they're going to waive time to see if they can make it to that disposition. Or the defense thinks that there's some additional evidence that they need time to evaluate and see if they're going to be able to present it. So they're asking for that time to do so. And therefore they're waiving the speedy trial clock.
All right. He's been locked up since June of 2020. I mean, all right. It's fine as long as he's locked up. Jerry tonight, he thinks Armageddon is coming soon so he can wait out these charges. Lara, does he know something that we don't know? Because the last Doomsday, we had the countdown here on closing arguments, and it didn't happen.
That's true. We were all waiting for that day. I mean, it's probably it could be tactical. It could be, the defense obviously needs time to investigate some more. Maybe they've requested discovery from the prosecution and they have not gotten that discovery. Maybe there's discovery motions. It looked like there was a motion for a change of venue. And those are all things that they have to take into consideration. There is no rush. The client's in custody from the prosecution point of view.
No rush for the lawyers, I know. I know there's no rush for you guys, but I mean, at the end of the day, and I'm just like saying, like, if someone was innocent, wouldn't they kind of be in a hurry to get out?
Of course, they're going to be in a hurry to get out. But remember, they're going to be trying this case hopefully once. And if the goal is to get an acquittal, you want to do the right thing. You want to do everything you can to represent the client the best you can, which means you have to completely investigate and be ready as an attorney. You have to have had time to have done your investigation, prep the case. Why take the chance?
Okay.
Imagine him getting convicted.
Pam, tonight, real quickly, a speedy trial will likely mean a speedy death sentence. He likely wants to wait as long as possible. We only have like 10 seconds, Casey. Is delay in the defense's advantage here?
It depends. Sometimes delay is an advantage, and sometimes the demand for speedy is usually advantageous for me as a public defender.
Thank you, everyone. We'll see you again. Don't go anywhere. More straight ahead.